Okay, so we were on the point of plant purchased. Plant purchase is my total payments. Sorry, it is my payments. So plant purchased will be written first point, and it is paid in the month of July. I hope you can look at this. Look at this question. Plant purchases totaling 5,000 to be made in July. So 5,000 will be shown only in the month of July. Only in the month of July. So here I will write 5,000. And all other columns will be, tell me, in all other columns what I have to show as nil. Yeah. Okay, done this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point is, next point is budgeted figures are as follows. So purchases are given, wages, cash expenses and sales. But I have to see, no, what about purchases? What about wages? Is there any adjustment that is given? So yes, for purchases, E adjustment is given, E. All the purchases are made 30 days term and checks are whatever checks. The point of checks is not so important. I will have to pay for purchases. I will have to pay. When I'm going to pay? After 30 days. Means 1 month following. Very simple. July is which I'm starting with July, okay? Because the columns are made from July. Tell me, July is which month? I mean, July is 1 month following of which month?
June.
Is the information in the question?
No, ma'am.
So nil. Okay, creditors nil. For July it is nil. Why? Because the June information is not given.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
information about month of June is not given. Where will I pick the amount from? Okay, therefore leave it. Okay, July 5,000. The purchases of July is 5,000. But I will have to pay this 5,000 in the month of
August.
August. Very good. So here I will write in August 5,000. Actually, this 5,000 belongs to July, but I will have to pay it in the month of August. Okay. Next. What about August 4,000? The purchases in the month of August is 4,000. When will I pay?
September.
So in September, I have to write 4,000. Actually, it is of July, August, but I will pay them in the month of September. Okay. September purchases are 3,000, but it will be shown in the column of October. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. October purchases are 4,000, but it is going to be paid in the month of November. So here November 4,000. And November purchases are 4,000. It will be paid in the month of December. So here 4,000 in the month of December. Did you understand? See how simple it is. And in the bracket of creditors, you have to write 1 month following. In the bracket of creditors, you have to write 1 month following. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next point. The next point is related to company will be able to get overdraft facility. I will explain you, don't worry. But before that, wages, cash expenses, 2 points are there. Purchases and sales done. But 2 points are there for which no adjustment is given. For wages, no adjustment is given. For cash expenses, no adjustment is given. So what do I need to do? Same month. I already informed you when we were doing first sum. At that time I told you that if for few expenses adjustment is not given, then you have to consider same month. What you have to consider? Tell me what you have to consider. Same month. So in the bracket you will write same month. Bracket close. For cash expenses and for wages, same for both. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me about wages. Same month means July. July same month is which month? For July same month is what?
July.
July same.
July.
August के लिए same month August. For September what is same month? September. So same month
September.
means that month only. So wages of July is 4,000. So you will write 4,000 only in the month of July. What about August? 5,000. So you will write here 5,000. Come on, quickly write down 5,000 in the month of August. What about September? You will write 4. October 4. November 5. December 4. October, sorry, September 4. October also 4. What is November ka amount? 5,000. And what is December ka amount?
4,000.
Okay. Now come to cash expenses. Come to cash expenses. Cash expenses of July 400. August 500. September 400. October 400. So it is July 400, August 500, September 400, and October 400. What about November and December? 500 and 400. So November 500 and December 400. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down, write down. Okay. 1 month salary, same month. And then cash expenses also same month. Now, tell me, is there any other point which is left? Is there any other point which is left in the question? Only overdraft. Only overdraft. Now what we will do is, listen here. Tell me 10,000 plus receipts. 10,000 plus receipts of July. The total of July
10,000.
10,000 only because no receipts are there. No
Yes,
receipts
ma'am.
are there. You can check from here. See, 10,000 is block A. Is it correct? Now
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is block B. What is block B? Means total expenses 5,000, 4,000, and 400. The total will be 9,400.
400.
Okay, so A
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
B, 10,000 minus 9,400. The answer will be 600 positive. Is the
Yes,
600
ma'am.
positive?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when it is positive, no overdraft will be given by the bank. Why will I
Yes,
take
ma'am.
loan from bank when I have my own cash? I have my own cash, 600 rupees. So why will I take loan from bank? Bank overdraft means short-term loan. So closing balance of July is positive. So I will not take any type of loan in the month of August. Because in the month of August, opening balance is positive, 600. The closing balance of July will become opening balance of August. Okay. What is the opening balance of August? 600. And what is the receipts of August? 5,820. So 600 plus 5,820. What is the total receipts? Now don't write. Wait. Let me write. You will not write. 4,000, 6,420. Please listen. You are not writing anything. Write it in rough. Somewhere down here, or maybe right hand side, or maybe left hand side with pencil. Just to remember, it is 6,420. Don't write here in block A because we need to check whether incomes are more than expenses or expenses are more than incomes. Okay. Now see, total expenses are how much? 5,000, 5,000 and 500. Three expenses are there. So total expenses are more than X incomes.
1,500.
See, total expenses are more than incomes. Are you getting my
Yes.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when total expenses are more than incomes, you will not write the total of incomes. No, this one is not correct. 6,420, you will not write this amount. What amount has to be written? See, I will tell you. Same 10,500 only. I will write same 10,500 only. But you will say, ma'am, it is the total of expenses. Yeah, I know. So what you have to do, see, whenever incomes are less than expenses, what you have to do, you have to take a loan from bank. Ma'am, how much loan has to be taken? जितना आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
How much is your negative answer? See, my income was 6,420. I told you to write in rough. So
Yes, ma'am.
6,420 was my income. And my expenses are 10,500. Deduct both of these amounts and tell me what is the negative figure.
4,080.
4,080 will be my overdraft. Overdraft means taken, loan taken. Loan taken means cash will come to me. Cash will come to me means it is my receipt. So overdraft facility. Overdraft means here in the bracket you will write bank loan, short-term loan. Short-term loan from bank. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is short-term loan. Okay. So overdraft, 8 minutes. Overdraft number. Okay. क्या हो गया? 8 minutes. हाँ, अभी आपको दिख रहा है ओवरड्राफ्ट? अच्छे से दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, we have not taken any overdraft in month of July, but yes, in August we are going to take how much? 4080. Where did this 4080 come from? 4080 is nothing but I will make a bracket here for you. For you, huh? Actually, bracket is not to be made, but I'm making it for you. 4080 comes from where? 10,500 minus 6,420, the total of income. Bracket close. Now, did you understand how to raise the overdraft?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever we need to raise the overdraft, we need to check whether incomes are less than expenses. If it is so as incomes are less than expenses, then you have to make the column of expenses, the total of expenses. Now the total of expenses was 10,500. 10,500 will have to be written same in the block A and in the block B. Now what you will do, 10,500 minus incomes, total block A. Total block A was actually 6,420. You don't have to write 6,420 in block A. Okay, 6,420 will be written in somewhere down, somewhere roughly we have to write. So 6,420 block A and then block B was 10,500. We have to deduct both of these amounts and then 4,080 rupees will be my overdraft amount. And now what you have to do, see, check 600, कैलसी में डालो 600, डालो कैलसी में 600 plus all the receipts 5,820 plus 4080. What is the total now? Tell me. Is the total 10,500 of block A? Is the total
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
as 10,500 of block A?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I have written. See, block A 10,500. Same
Yes, ma'am.
as block B. So this is the method. Now tell me A minus B. Now tell me block A is 10,500 and block B is 10,500. So
Nil.
what is my opening balance?
Nil.
Yeah, I don't have any opening balance. Opening balance means my own cash available with me, my own cash. But I don't have any, I mean, I don't have any cash available. Therefore, I had to take short-term loan from the bank. No. If I had my own cash, why would I have been taking loan from the bank? Because I don't have any cash with myself for my business, and therefore I need to take loan from bank 4080. So opening balance of September again nil. Because closing balance of August is nil, opening balance of September is also nil. Okay, so tell me the what to say. The total of block A of September 6,790, but you don't have to write here. 6,790 is actually the total of block A, but I will not write here. Before that, I will check what are my expenses. What is the total of expenses? Can you tell me?
8,400.
Yeah, sorry, 8,400. 8,400. Is it more than my income?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so again overdraft. How will I take the overdraft? 8,400 minus 6,790. I will not write 6,790 here. I will write somewhere roughly, somewhere else, roughly. Okay, 6,790 are my incomes minus my expenses are 8,400. So how much is the amount that is in the calci now? How much your calci shows?
Uh,
Is it
1,610.
negative? Is it negative?
Yes, ma'am.
1,610.
Yes, ma'am.
So
It's
negative
negative.
means I will have to take the overdraft. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me the block A. Now tell me the total of block A. Is it 8,400 exactly? Which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
matching to block B.
Yes, ma'am.
See, opening balance is nil, 6,790 and 1,610. Add all these figures and then you will get 8,400, which is exactly same as block B. So tell me, your opening closing balance will be,
Nil.
so your opening balance of October will also be,
Nil.
yeah. Now tell me the total of expenses. Let us first calculate the total of expenses. 3,000, 4,000 and 400. How much is it?
7,400.
Is it shorter or is it less than or is it high than incomes?
Less.
Less than, then it
Less
is okay. Then no
than.
need to take overdraft facility. If it is no need to take overdraft facility, then nil. See, I'm writing nil in the overdraft
Yes.
column. Okay. Now tell me the total of incomes. What is the total of incomes?
7,760.
Very good. If it is more than incomes, incomes are more than expenses, then closing balance will come. If incomes are more than expenses, then definitely
Yes, ma'am.
closing balance will come. How much is my closing balance? Positive closing balance. Huh?
360. Yes, ma'am.
360
360.
is positive. When it is positive, I will take this amount to opening balance of November. See,
Yes,
closing
ma'am.
balance of October will become opening balance of November. Now, first let us calculate the total of expenses. What is the total of expenses? 4,000, 5,000 and 500.
9,500.
Now tell me the total of incomes. 360 plus 7.
8,020.
Is it short? Then is it less than expenses?
Yes, ma'am.
By the way, what was the figure? Let us write it somewhere down, somewhere else, roughly. What was the figure, by the way? 8,000?
120.
120. See, I can rub this 8,120 from here. But once you write, you will not be able to rub. You will have to cut down. And cutting,
Yes.
I think you should avoid cutting in your question, in your answer paper. So please, 8,120 will have to be written somewhere else, roughly. Okay. Or if you remember, that's quite good point. Okay. Now what you have to do, expenses are more than incomes. So again, you will have to take short-term loan from bank. How much short-term loan from bank will be taken? 8,120 minus,
1,380.
wait, 8,120 minus 9,500. Please repeat again, what is the amount of overdraft facility?
1,380.
Yeah, now tell me the total of block A. It will match with block B, definitely.
Yes, ma'am. 9,500.
Yes, if it is matching with block B, then you are going right. So A minus B will become nil. See, A block is 9,500, B block is also 9,500. So your closing balance
Yes.
will be nil. The closing balance of November is nil. Therefore, the opening balance of December will also be
Nil.
nil. Now tell me the total of expenses of December. Total of December,
8,400.
8,400. I'm talking about expenses ka total. I'm talking about
Yes, ma'am.
expenses ka total. So it is 8,400. Is it less than or higher than incomes?
Less than.
Less than incomes means no overdraft facility.
Yes, ma'am.
If expenses are less than, then I have my own cash. No. If I have my own cash, why do I need to take from bank in the form of
Yes, ma'am.
loan? So when expenses are more than incomes, only then overdraft facility will be taken from bank. Only then I will take loan from bank. So how much are my incomes? What is the total of
330.
incomes? 8,700 and 8,730 is my block A. And what is my block B? 8,400.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is definitely less than my incomes, block A, and therefore the answer will be positive. So what is the positive answer?
330.
330.
330.
Now, if you want to check, 330 is my correct answer. You can check from here. Oh, why do
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे इसे क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? हाँ 330 आ रहा है ना, ये देखो यहाँ पे
Yes, ma'am.
repayment of overdraft. Okay. Now what you have to do? Wait, don't write 330. I will tell you. Okay. See, wait, huh? A new point I will discuss with you all. Now you have 360 balance here, no? Okay. Okay, do it this way only. Do it this way only. 330 is correct answer. Okay, is it clear now? With the help
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this 330, we will pay the overdraft now. Because we have cash, we can pay them now. Okay, so that is okay. 330 is our correct answer. Is it now clear? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Has everybody completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please keep practicing. You practice the same sum again, and if you have any other doubt, you can ask me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take care, everybody. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.